Alright, we're going now. Alright, damn, this is like let's go. I'm about to tell you the weather outside. Oh, I'm about to tell you the weather outside. Holy shit, it is snowing. Oh my god. We got like good fucking, oh, what is that? Like 4 inches right there. So I will say it is 20 below. It is at least 13 miles an hour going. Oh my god, this wind. This is ridiculous. I swear to God, this is crazy. We got like 2 inches. Anyone could slide right here. I swear. If you drove on this, you're gonna slide. You're gonna slide. So you better watch out when you're driving. I'm telling you, just watch out when you are driving. Be safe. Be safe. I'm telling you. But I'm about to jump in this snow. Yes. Anyways, so, alright, here we go. Woo!